Did you know that hybridizing solar plants with battery storage systems not only optimizes energy use, but also improves grid stability and extends the lifetime of installations? In this video, we will explore the most important technical benefits of this technology, its current applications, and how future innovations will transform the energy landscape. Stay to the end to find out why this is the key to a sustainable future. One of the main benefits of solar hybridization with BESS is the optimization of energy dispatch. How does it work? Controlled dispatch allows energy to be stored at times of low demand, such as midday, and released during peak hours. Avoidance of energy spillage avoids wasting surplus energy, especially in saturated grids. Maximization of economic value. BESS systems allow the stored energy to be sold at times of higher price, increasing the profitability of the project. The integration of BESS with solar plants not only improves energy efficiency, but also stabilizes the power grid. Frequency regulation responds quickly to fluctuations in the grid, avoiding imbalances. Voltage control maintains stable voltage, even in weak grids or rural areas. Participation in ancillary services provides additional revenue by participating in service markets such as regulation and reserve. A common challenge of solar energy is its intermittency, but BESS systems offer an effective solution, reducing intermittency. They buffer variations caused by weather changes, ensuring a constant supply, enabling new solar projects. In regions with saturated grids, BESSes free up capacity by managing energy more efficiently. Supporting decarbonization, they reduce dependence on fossil fuels, helping to meet global climate targets. In addition to optimizing energy use, the BESS also contributes to the longevity of solar installations. Reduced equipment wear and tear, they minimize power fluctuations, extending the service life of inverters and electrical components. Optimization of installed capacity, they allow older solar plants to remain profitable, improved revenue predictability. They offer a more stable operation, reducing financial uncertainty. The future of solar hybridization with BESS is full of promising innovations. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies optimize charge and discharge cycles, maximizing efficiency. Next-generation battery development. Advances in solid-state and flow batteries promise greater energy density and safety. Integration with smart grids. Two-way communication between hybrid systems and electric grids improves supply and demand management. Supporting policies with more ambitious climate targets, increased regulations and subsidies for BESS are expected. The technical benefits of solar hybridization with BESS are clear: optimization, stability, and sustainability. If you are interested in exploring these solutions for your projects or need customized training, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's make the transition to a cleaner energy future together. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.